Hi, in this course I'll be teaching you on how you can go from raw data like this to a full three-statement model projection with an equity valuation at the end. Now, there are many reasons why you may want to create your own financial model, whether it be for your own purposes or perhaps you need to create one for work. Financial models can help you make investment decisions, they can help you create valuations for companies, and at the same time, they are also very widely used for credit analysis. So in short, there are many circumstances on why you may need to create a three-statement financial forecast of a company. But do note that this course is going to be entirely on the creation of the three-statement forecast, and I actually require you to have prior knowledge regarding the three financial statements. If you have never seen the three statements before, I would recommend that you go and read up on them before trying to create your own financial models. So there will be four main parts in creating your financial model. The first step is to actually get the extraction of the raw data. Your second step will be involving the creation of your model assumptions. And in the third step, you'll actually use those assumptions to create your actual projections for the next few years. And in the final step, we'll actually be doing a valuation using the cash flows that you have projected. So if you're all ready, enroll now and let's get started.